everybody, welcome to Campkins.com. I'm Jamie. You're used to me doing trailer walkthroughs, but it's time for a new face. And that new face is one of our awesome RV advisors, Peter. So Peter, take it away and tell us about this Avenger.
Thank you, Jamie. This is the 2021 26BK Avenger. This is a great trailer. You're going to love it for you and for your family. Has an aerodynamic front. And also one thing that's very nice about the Avenger brand is this. They have a very large open pass-through. So lots of space for all the extras that you're going to take with you that everybody knows they need when you have all these kids and all these things that you need to take when you're camping. And this trailer comes with an electric awning, LED lights so they don't attract bugs at night, which is nice. You can sit out and enjoy the evening and enjoy the great outdoors, indoor-outdoor speakers, and it also has a great kitchen. So a 2-burner stove. There's lots of space in the fridge for the kids getting their juice boxes. They don't have to run inside the trailer all the time to get something to drink. And the sink actually is a drained sink. It drains into the black tank, so you don't have to be throwing out the water all the time. Now, one thing I really like about this trailer is the nice solid steps. You got a nice grab rail, especially if you're hanging on to something, bringing it in, or if you have someone that's a little older. These solid steps are going to be very good and very comfortable, and gives you lots of security. When we come in, the first thing you're going to see is this. A great little couch, okay? Relax halfway through the day. This does turn into a bed for someone that's a little shorter. And when we move over to the kitchen, there's lots of great features here. One I really like is the fact that this is a undermounted stainless steel sink. There's lots of space in here to get the dishes done and all those things of taking care of cleaning up. And we do have a 3-burner stove, nice glass top countertop, so that gives you all the extra space that you need when it comes to cooking and preparing food. Microwave, lots of space up here. And one thing that Avenger is very good at is the fridge. Now take a look at this baby. There is a lot of space in here. We all know that kids love to eat, especially when they're outside running around all day, which is exactly what we want. So you don't have to be taking trips to the grocery store every other day because you can store a lot in here. When it comes to the washroom, the sink is actually outside of the washroom. The kids can be brushing their teeth in here while someone's using the washroom or taking a shower inside. Nice vanity for you. Lots of space in there for toothbrushes and for band-aids when they trip up and skin their knees, okay? Washroom. Surround shower in here. Very nice, very large. Nice vent up here to get the steam and everything out. Washroom is in here also. The toilet's in here, so very nice. Now, one of the things that you're going to really like about this trailer, it's great for a growing family. So if you have a teenager, these bunks are really wide and really long. And one thing important for the kids is this. You can plug in your cell phone and charge it here. That's extremely important because we know outside you still need your phone, okay? The window for the dinette looks out on where all the action's happening and under the umbrella and under the awning. All the kids are out running around or playing games. You sit here, have your tea in the morning and watch outside and they can enjoy themselves while you enjoy yourself in here. When we take a look at the bedroom, there's lots of space in here. There's a side for the wardrobe in here to hang your clothes up. There's a nice window on the other side for light. You'll notice there's a light in under here for night reading if you like. Lots of cupboard space all around the top here. You can put a TV in here also. And one of the nicest features is, this is not a curtain, this is actually a pocket door, so you can close the door for more privacy. This is the Avenger. It's 26 feet long, about 5,000 pounds. Great for you and your family. We say it's worth the hurdle to Myrtle, just north of Whitby. Help us help you make your trailer dreams come true. You have a good day now.